Today I'm going to talk about Income Tax Hack 2018. Now this hack is going to show you how to estimate how to reduce your taxes and the effects of contributing into your retirement plan. So you can figure out exactly how much you want to save and exactly what you need to save and exactly what your taxes are going to be. If this is your first time at our channel or you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button at the bottom. My name is Travis Sickle, Certified Financial Planner with Sickle Hunter Financial Advisors. As planners, as savers, we're always trying to quickly figure out how much something will affect my overall plan. And in this case, how much will a 3 or a 4 or 5% contribution to your IRA or to your 401k impact your overall tax liability and your financial situation? I'm going to show you two separate calculators that are super easy to use so you can figure out how to do this. So I'm going to pull it up on the screen right now. So if you haven't seen this yet, this is the IRS's calculator that actually just came out in 2018. And this is a calculator specifically for the W-4, but you can also use it to your tax advantage overall. Here's how. So I'm going to say that we're single and no one can claim us as a dependent. Click continue. Now it's the second page that's going to help you figure out your IRA 401k contributions and how that'll impact your taxable situation. So right here, we're going to say check box if you contribute to a tax deferred retirement plan such as a 401k this year. So we're going to click off yes. See that check right there. Now you can scroll right to the bottom and click continue. Now here's where you're going to fill it out based on your situation. So let's say that we made $100,000. We didn't get any bonuses this year and we contributed $10,000 or 10% to our retirement plan. Now these other numbers aren't going to matter for this example, so we can just go ahead and put 0 and 0. So even if you have withheld, if you're not using it for W-4 and only trying to figure out what your taxes are, this is how you're going to do it. You don't have to fill out the rest, the weekly, how often you get paid, it doesn't matter. Click continue, and right up there at the top, based on your response, your anticipated income for 2018 is $13,105. Now let's see how much that impacted us. If we click back and go to that page right over here and we end up putting 0 in here, you can see that it now jumped to $15,416. So that's a taxable savings of over $2,300. But wait a second, how did they get to that math? So here's how it's done. So first we had a taxable income of $13,105. That was with saving $10,000 into our 401k. And then it went up to $15,416. $416. So that's a difference of $2,311. So by knowing that we wanted to save $10,000, we were able to know upfront that our tax liability was going to be an estimated $2,311. So here's how that math works. So from our example, we made $100,000 in income. We have $12,000 in standard deductions for someone that's single. It's 24 if you're married, filing jointly, but 12 if you're single. So in this case, we're going to subtract $12,000, which is going to be $88,000. So I did a quick Google search just to show you what the tax brackets are. If you look at them here, for someone that's a single, an individual, so they're going to pay 24% from $82,501 to $157,500. That means that $5,500 of that $10,000 contribution is going to be at 24%. So of that $10,000, $5,500 is above $82,500. So that is going to be from $82,500 up to $88,000. That's $5,500. So $5,500 at 24%. So $5,500 at 24% is going to give us $1,320. So that's the tax liability that you're going to have. The other part of that is below the $82,000 or $82,500 and below, and that's going to be $4,500. So $4,500 at 22%, because now we're in a lower tax bracket, equals $990. Do that math right there, and you are going to get $2,310. So from the app to doing it down on paper, we're getting the same answer. It's a rounding error of $1. So going from the IRS's free app to figure out the W-4, we can very quickly figure out how much tax liability or how much taxes we're going to pay on the contributions that we're making. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to figure out how much taxes you're going to save if you contribute to a retirement plan, look at the W4 app. There are a lot of other things that are going to affect your taxes, but if you're looking for a quick and simple way to figure out how much your contributions will affect your taxes, this is it. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave your comments down at the bottom.